29th? I think it's June 29th. Leaving Athens. Eating at, is kind of like an adult grilled cheese with cheese on the outside and the inside.
And there's like meat.
Yeah, it was really good.
I got a donut.
Just a massive donut. Also good. Okay. Little tour of our hotel room. This is our pretty swanky bathroom. The stone sink. That's cool. This is our first night in Santorini. One room. Secondary room. And a little balcony. What kind of view do we have here?
A gorgeous one.
That's pretty nice.
I know, right? Closing rack.
Oh, nice. Okay, I don't know. Do you like this one?
Maybe? What do you mean?
This is a random little restaurant beside the road. Snack spot.
Snack. We ordered a whole fish.
Yeah, that's true. No.
You lie. See anything for Thatcher?
Ooh. Good. That's a good thought, actually. Grace has the thing for stray dogs and cats. Takes you somewhere.
I feel like it's
It doesn't feel like a real rock.
yeah, it's like what's that word? Fake? No. Oh my god.
The word.
What's that word? Like the material.
Not
they
real.
make it out.
Like ceramic?
Yeah, it's like ceramic.
Maybe.
Look at this rains right now. Look at how big it is.